Hey all food lovers and welcome back to my channel Cooking Addiction. Today I'll show you how to prepare a veg sweet corn soup. It's a simple recipe, so let's begin.
First, clean the corn by removing its husk and wash it. Then boil it in water along with salt till it's soft. Chop carrot, French beans and spring onion into small pieces. Remove the corn kernels and transfer it in a mixer jar. In a large kadai, heat oil and saute garlic and ginger and also saute spring onions slightly. Now add sweet corn, carrot and beans. Saute for 2 minutes or until vegetables are slightly cooked. Transfer the sweet corn paste and saute for 2 minutes. Further add 3 cups of water, salt and stir well. Boil it for 15 minutes or until the vegetables are cooked. Now prepare cornflour slurry by mixing 1 teaspoon of cornflour in 1/4 cup of water. Mix to a lump-free mixture. Pour the cornflour slurry and stir well. Boil until the soup thickens. Now add sugar, black pepper powder, vinegar and 2 tablespoons of spring onion. Sweet corn soup is ready to be served. Enjoy.
If you like this recipe, kindly like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get all my latest updates. Till then, we'll meet next time in my next video.